Hi, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher, and today I'm going to show you how to make simple broiled salmon with champagne vinaigrette. It's so healthy, and let me tell you, it is easy peasy. Here we go. So here we have it, the broiled salmon with the champagne vinaigrette glaze. And then I'm just gonna garnish with just a little bit of parsley, just for some nice color. And just a few pomegranate arils, just to make it pretty. And here you go, beautiful broiled salmon with champagne vinaigrette garnished with pomegranate and fresh parsley. Healthy and super easy to make. I hope you check it out.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a healthy day.